In the fast-paced digital world, Gen Z entrepreneurs are redefining success. Unlike previous generations, you are not waiting for permission. You are building brands, startups, and side hustles from your phones. But to truly scale and sustain success, you need more than just strategy. You need an abundance mindset. And in this video, I want to talk about abundance is a learned mindset, the Gen Z Entrepreneur's Guide. Let's dive in. So what is an abundance mindset basically? By the way, I wanted to say thank you if you're a returning viewer, and also thank you if you are new to the House of Wisdom YouTube channel. We love you and we are glad to have you here. And so let's dive into the main gist of today. And so I want to ask, what is an abundance mindset? How do I activate my abundance mindset? How do you activate your abundance mindset? Many people believe abundance is a result of external factors like luck, privilege, or circumstances. However, abundance is primarily a mindset, one that can be cultivated and learned. And abundance is not about having unlimited resources, but about seeing limitless possibilities, opportunities, and value in every situation. And so if you're asking what is an abundance mindset, you just have it there. Seeing limitless possibilities, opportunities, and value in every situation. And so let me continue by looking at scarcity versus abundance in entrepreneurship. Scarcity versus abundance in entrepreneurship. So basically, a scarcity mindset tells you there aren't enough customers. A scarcity mindset tells you the market is too saturated. A scarcity mindset tells you if someone wins, someone else must lose. So what does an abundance mindset on the other hand say? On the other hand, an abundance mindset says there are unlimited opportunities. The abundance mindset also says collaboration creates more value. The abundance mindset also says the right people and resources will align when you take action. Okay, so thank you for watching so far. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we upload valuable videos like the one you're just watching. I'm waiting for you. Takes a minute or less to do that. Thank you if you just subscribed. We love you, like I said earlier, and we appreciate that you have chosen to be a member of the House of Wisdom YouTube community. So going back to the discussion of the day, so how to build an abundance mindset as an entrepreneur? How do you build an abundance mindset as an entrepreneur? The first thing is look at creation and see abundance at work. Look especially at the sea and the fact that the waters never run dry, year in, year out. That should enable you to foster the abundance mindset. In fact, there's this saying locally that sea never runs dry. The sea never runs dry, which means you will never run out of abundance. There is abundance everywhere. It's only what you are trained to see that you will see. And so if you train your mind to see abundance, I tell you, you will see it. Okay, so that's the first thing. Look at creation and see abundance at work. Secondly, see competition as collaboration. See competition as collaboration. Instead of fearing competitors, find ways to partner, cross-promote, or learn from them. The digital economy thrives on community, not just individual success. And so see competition as collaboration. The third thing is focus on value, not just money. Take your mind off monetary rewards and focus more on giving value as an entrepreneur, as a Gen Z entrepreneur, as a Gen Z millionaire that you are. Don't forget, this is still part of our Gen Z Millionaire Series, where we are raising 100 Gen Z millionaires in this year. And these videos are meant to empower you to be able to achieve that goal. And so going back to the discussion of the day, focus on value, not just money. Money follows impact. Money follows impact. So solve real problems, provide value, and the revenue will come. Whether it's a viral TikTok agency, AI chatbot business, or e-commerce brand, value creation is key. Money follows value, and so create value and money will come. Okay, the fourth thing to look out for when it comes to building the abundance mindset is create, don't just consume. Create, don't just consume. Scrolling through content without action reinforces scarcity. Like you are thinking everyone's ahead of me. So shift your mindset by producing content, launching ideas, and testing new concepts. And so also join the content creation revolution and see what you can make out of it. Okay, the fifth thing to do when it comes to fostering the abundance mindset is invest in yourself relentlessly. Invest in yourself relentlessly. Skills, knowledge, and relationships are unlimited resources. The more you grow, the more opportunities you attract. Take online courses, network, and stay ahead of trends. So the best investment you can ever do in life is to invest in you. The best investment I can ever do in life is to invest in me. And don't forget that abundance is a learned mindset. And so you can cultivate it, you can learn it, you can foster it by investing in you. Don't mind the amount you spend on investing in you. I tell you, it's an investment that never goes to waste. It's an investment that pays for itself over and over and over again. There was this day I was listening to, or I was watching a video actually by Mrs. Ibukun Awushika, and she talked about the fact that there was a course she took that the money she used for the course was enough to buy a house, and that her peers would have chosen to buy a house instead, but she chose to use the money to take the course. And after taking the course, she said she had so much money to buy houses upon houses upon houses. And so that's what I'm saying. An investment in yourself will never go to waste. It will pay back again and again and again and again. Right? Okay, the sixth thing when it comes to fostering the abundance mindset, learning the abundance mindset, is to give without fear. And so share insights, mentor others, and provide free value. In the digital age, generosity builds trust, and trust builds brands. And so don't be afraid to share what you have with others. It can even be money, it can be your skills, it can be your knowledge, it can be your counsel. Whatever it is you can do to help somebody else, be generous, be a giver. Givers, they say, never lack. And so give without fear. That is the last tip of the day. Now, my final thoughts. Abundance is not about waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. That moment is now. Start fostering that abundance mindset now, today. So, abundance is not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about seeing every moment as an opportunity. The most successful Gen Z entrepreneurs don't hoard ideas or operate from fear. They build, they collaborate, and trust that there is always more. When you adopt this mindset, you don't just chase success, you attract it. And don't forget that success is who you are. There's this book by Pastor Sam Adeyemi that says, Success is who you are. And basically, success is who you are. You attract success by who you become. And so daily you must work on yourself. The more you work on yourself, the more you attract success. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now and also share this video with a friend. But then, which of these tips excites you the most? Let me know in the comments.